Okay, quick screencast to walk through how to create a Sign Up Genius for our advisory student-led conference that's coming up on January 16th. So if you Google Sign Up Genius, you get to the website where you may need to log in. I'm already logged in. If you don't have a login, you'll need to create one. Once you log in, you will click on create a sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and create one. I think it's a different format than it's looked like in the past, but it's slick in many ways. So we're going to title it. I would say that something like your last name, advisory, and then student-led conferences would make sense. It's going to ask you for a group, which you may already have one, and this I don't think matters at all. But if you need to create one, this plus sign will allow you to do that. It's just simply a name that you put in there, and then you can pick your theme. I'm just going to go straightforward orange and gray. And then I save it, and I get to the slots. Now this is the part that's trickier because we're talking about having multiple kids and families conferencing in our space at the same time. And we'd suggested 4, but if you wanted to do 3 or 2 or however you want to do that, is fine. I'm going to show you how to set that up. You're going to start by selecting the sort by date option. And then you're going to click add dates. And up here at the top where it says add dates, I'm actually going to click on add time slots. All right, so this is going to ask me to choose the date of the event, which is January 16th. That's our conferences in the evening. So I'm going to choose that for both of them. And then I'm going to put a time range from 4:30 to 7. Keep in mind that there will be food options for you right after school. We'll have some kind of a snack food treat type thing for everybody, so you can grab that between 4:05 and 4:30 when your first conferences are. And I'm going to put down that we're going to have them every 15 minutes. If you want to play with that, go for it. I'll also put down my location, which for you would be your room number. I'm just going to put Valley View main office for my purposes. Okay, so I'm going to add my time slots. I'm going to go ahead and click add 10 time slots. And that is the appropriate amount that takes me from 4:30 to 7 o'clock. So now I have my time slots on the right. Next, I'm going to click over here. I'm going to click add slots because I don't want one person to sign up for each one. I actually want, I'm going to go with 3, let's say. So I'm going to say this title of this spot is sign up 1. And I'm going to just say that it's for all of my dates, all of my time slots. I'm going to click save and add another. I'm going to call the next one sign up 2, save and add another. And then I'm going to say sign up 3, save and add another. All right, so we're good here. So now I have 1, 2, 3 for all of these. I'm going to click save and continue. All right, so if I go to settings, down here, I for sure think I want to uncheck this box where people are swapping spots so they don't boot each other out. And one thing that I would do is I click more, and you can add a custom question here. So not only are people putting their name and their email in, but you can add something. I made one that where it says create a new question. I created one that says student names because sometimes parents' names are different last names than students, and I thought that would just make it easier for me. So I click create a new question, create a student name question, and then I return to sign up. So I've unclicked this, I've chosen that, I'm going to click save and continue, and then I would choose to publish that. So at that point, I'm going to click publish. It's going to give me a link, right? And when I click that link, this is what my sign up will look like to me. So I have 4:30 to 4:45, sign up 1, sign up 2, sign up 3, and so on and so forth until the end of the evening. If you just copy this link, this is what you can then message out to your parents of your advisory students. And also please share it with myself or Sean so that we can help folks get signed up as needed. We'll keep a big collective group of them, but we are going to have advisory teachers send them out. We think that will help personalize it and also make sure that it's an advisory conference and we don't get parents signing up for their child's math teacher just because they want to talk to them, which we've had in the past. Last thing I'll show you here, just so you see it, I'm going to paste it in. This is what parents will see. So there will be ads, but we think they'll be benign, hopefully. And what parents would see is they'll see a time, sign up for a time slot, they click sign up, and then they click submit and sign up, and it will ask them for their name, their email, and then down here they would put their student's name. So I'll say Kellen, that's my son, and I will say sign up now, and then back to sign up, so it will have that name on there. So we should be good to go with that. If you have any questions about how to create a Sign Up Genius with multiple times or multiple slots in different time sections, let me know. Hopefully this is helpful. But again, if you have questions, just let me know. Thanks.